Hello and welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live. Today we're going to be looking at the cars that we featured on the first two shows and see how they've got on at auction. But before we move on to the cars that we have featured, I thought I'd stop at this very interesting Saab 9.3 Turbo. This car was the absolute last Saab ever made at the Saab factory in Trollhättan, Sweden, before it was shut down and production ceased. So the Saab 9.3 Aero Turbo 4, I believe only 420 of these cars were ever made in total, so that made it quite a rare car in itself. But this one is the rarest of all. So if we look at the auction results for this car, you'll find that it sold for 465,000 Swedish krona, which translates to around 35,000 English pounds, 40,000 euros and $44,500. Okay, let's try and find that Volvo Amazon. And if we can see now that this car sold for around 17,000 Swedish krona, and that would be roughly 1,200 pounds, 1,400 euros and $1,600. So I believe whoever bought this car at that price got themselves a really good bargain, because a good example of one of these cars can fetch up to roughly around 10,000 English pounds, around 12,000 US dollars. I personally don't think it would take that much to put this car into great condition, maybe half of that amount. So a real bargain for somebody. Time to go back to the Volvo PV 444. This was a car that had a really nice interior, a little bit of surface rust on the outside, and as you can see, this went for 17,500 krona. Very similar price to the Volvo Amazon, so somebody picking up a really good bargain there. Also, the engine on these cars, they all turned over by hand, which means it could be a really good renovation project without having to spend loads and loads of money getting the cars up and running. Let's take a look at the Volvo P1800. As you can see, it sold for 40,000 Swedish krona, which translates to around 3,000 English pounds, 3,500 euros and just under $4,000. When this car was sold at auction, it was sold with the front wings, the front fenders, the front grille and some lights as well, so loads of parts to help to get this classic back on the road. And if we go back to the very first cars from the very first show, the Citroëns, we can see that the Citroën DS Prestige, that one got the most interest and went for a Swedish price of 28,500 krona. If we translate that to English pounds, it's around 2,000 pounds. Euros, it was around 2,500 euros, and US dollars, it stood at 2.7, which is $2,700. And all the other Citroëns available on the auction went for parts. So now it's time to check to see how that Bentley S3 Continental Flying Spur got on in the auctions. And as you can see, it sold for just over 800,000 Swedish crowns. Now, if I translate that into UK pounds, that's around 60,000 pounds, 69,000 euros, and around 77,000 US dollars. So there you have it. These cars were locked away between 20 and 40 years in a barn, the west side of Sweden. We've dragged them out, we've cleaned them up, we've put them on auction, and somebody has bought them to breathe life back into these old beauties to grace our highways once again. So this show was just a short little recap of what we've been doing over the past month. The auctions are finished for this year, but they'll be back again next year. And we here at Cars of Sweden Live, we will be back again next week with more cars coming your way and great content. So please subscribe, please like the video, and please share it as much as you can. And be sure to be back next week when we come back with more Cars of Sweden Live.